Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to reset the service indicator, change oil indicator on Mercedes W163 without any tools. You can do that by hand, guys. So stay with us to see how we're going to do that. We have the video how to reset it with the tool, but now we're going to show you how to do it without having the tool. So as you can see, we did an oil change on this one, and we need to reset it because it said that the oil should have been changed 6,700 miles ago. So stay with us to see how we're going to do that. Alright guys, what you need to do, you need to turn the key to the second position now and follow this one now to the second position when all the lights come on, okay, like that. And we need to do everything real fast. When you turn it on like that, what you will need to do, you will actually need to click this one twice in less than a second, but you need to do that in a 4-second period after you turn the key on. So as you can see, watch now what we need to do. Okay, you need to turn to the second, pull the key out, put it in, turn to the second position, and now pump this one twice. And when you do that, the service indicator will illuminate, okay, like that. And after that, you need to turn the key off, like that. The indicator is still there, and you need to hold the button now. Keep holding it, and what you need to do, you need to turn the key to the second position again while you're still holding, till you hear the beep. Okay, almost there. Okay, and the new mileage is displayed 10,000 miles, as you can see. So that's the whole procedure, guys. Pretty simple, but you need to do it quick. I'll have the description, the whole procedure in the description below the video, so check it out. Thank you guys for watching it. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.